So today I want to talk to you about the plan, and it's not to see if you can improve my handwriting, which is terrible. So as I've kind of hinted to, I want to learn robotics. I can build robots that can do certain tasks, but I want to kind of learn a bit more of the theory or the maths, etc., which I'm massively going to struggle at. So this is my plan, which might seem I want to fly before I can even walk, but I want to be able to detect an object that may be like a blue object or a red object, so we can use some kind of color filter or something to do that. Find its position in 3D space, so I need to see it, work out how far away it is, and then move an arm to take the object. So for instance, for the move the arm to take the object, I need to learn about inverse kinematics, which I've started to kind of read up on. Find its position in 3D space and see an object. So I can use a webcam to look for, say, a blue object if I wanted to do using like something like OpenCV. That's not a problem. I'm a developer, get all that stuff. Then I need to find how far away it is. I'm kind of thinking maybe if I could mount an ultrasonics or some sort of sensor that measures distance. If it's centered to the, so if I center the object in the webcam, so I move the webcam to I center it, I then send out kind of a sensor that tells me how far away it is. I kind of end up with kind of a triangle. So this is going to be terrible. So if my head's here with the webcam on and the object's here, if I know that this angle here is looking like this, so if I know this angle's here and this is, I don't know, 10 meters away, that's a bit far, I can kind of build a triangle up that will tell me, actually, if this is 0, 0, and I know the length of this, I can work out where this place is. That's my theory. So when I was also looking into the inverse kinematics and kinematics, so kinematics is if I change these angles on this dimension, so a robotic arm has degrees of freedom. So like a human arm, you have elbows, you have shoulder joints, etc. So what the kinematics is that you can basically say if these angles are set on your arm, where will your arm be? The inverse is basically, I am at this space, go get this, how do I move the arm to reach that position? So if I need to grab something here, so imagine this object is here, and the arms are, I don't know, 30 centimeters long and the other bit's 20 centimeters long, what angles do I need to rotate the joints to grab that object? There are much better explanations of this stuff. As I said, I'm learning this stuff, and this is how I'm trying to breaking it down. With kind of the inverse stuff, I've kind of played about with trigonometry and the triangle, the SSS triangle, where you can kind of work out, you can build a triangle that doesn't have any right angles in it, and using that I can kind of work out where this object is. So anyway, this is the plan. So you've already probably seen my robotic arm. It's kind of I've gone around in a bit of a random order, but I want to see an object, find out where its position is in 3D space, and then move the arm to grab this and write all the formulas, algorithms, etc. to do this. Then I'll move on to probably trying to go down the machine learning kind of, so you can ask the robot to grab the object or to see if it detects the object. But that's down the line. First of all, these 3 bits, and I think I know how I'm going to do this already, and I know how I'm going to do this already. So I've actually started learning this bit now. Ask questions, correct me if I'm completely wrong. Brilliant. Thank you.